Today, Group 2 is going to help you understand the different regions and properties of the electromagnetic spectrum. We hope you find this video useful in your development. Without further ado, let us begin.
Radio waves are a type of electromagnetic radiation that's known for their use in communication technologies. They are also known to have the lowest frequency and the longest wavelength. At extremely low frequency, radio waves are used in power lines, electrical wiring, and in common appliances. And at very low frequency, they are used in underwater communication, geophysical surveys, and maritime radio for navigation. And at low frequency, they are used in RFID tag radio frequency identification, vehicle immobilizers, asset tracking, personal tracking, animal identification ID, badging automotive control, and counterfeit prevention. Radio waves have many applications at medium frequencies. They have a long range and are useful for penetrating water and rock for communication in submarines and inside mines and caves. They can be used in radio navigation and AM broadcasting. While operating at high frequencies, the main users of the high-frequency spectrum are military and governmental communication systems, air-to-ground communications in aviation, amateur radio, long-distance communication, shortwave broadcasting, and radio detection and imaging.
Very high frequency is a type of radio wave that has the range of 30 to 300 MHz. VHF radio waves are used such in the following: VHF television and FM radio. VHF radio waves are used among these because VHF is suited for long distances in and outdoor use. Ultra-high frequency is another type of radio wave that has the range of 300 MHz to 3 GHz. UHF radio waves are used such in the following: UHF television, GPS, Wi-Fi, 4G, and mobile phones. UHF radio waves are used among these because it is ideal for wireless communications.
Given their ability to carry enormous amount of data, super high frequency radio waves are used in satellite communication and Wi-Fi. And at extremely high frequency radio waves, they are used in satellite communication, magnetic resonance imaging or MRI, and radio astronomy.
Microwaves are a type of electromagnetic radiation and are basically extremely high frequency waves. Microwaves fall in the range of the EM spectrum between the radio waves and infrared waves. Microwaves are used in
radar, machine satellite communication, microwave oven, mobile phone, international broadband, Wi-Fi, GPS, medical uses, Bluetooth, high-powered microwave or HBM for short for military weapon, fixed traffic speed camera.
Infrared, or sometimes called infrared light, is electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths longer than those of visible light. In electronic appliances such as heat lamps and toasters, use IR radiation to transmit heat, as do industrial heaters such as those used for drying and curing materials, or night vision goggles that we use to see in the dark by sensing small amounts of infrared light that are reflected off of objects and then electrically amplifying that light into a characteristic glowing green image.
And that is it. We hope this video helped you in solving problems related to electromagnetic waves. Take care everyone, and stay safe. See you next time!